Experience the peak of luxury living in the historic Willamette Heights neighborhood. Backing to Greenspace, it's ideally located just minutes from some of Portland's best restaurants, boutiques, and Providence Park. Built in 2015, this modern masterpiece offers a blend of luxury, comfort, and contemporary style. Discover soaring beam ceilings and towering windows providing tons of natural light. The remarkable kitchen is like a piece of artwork with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pot filler, instant hot water, and custom cabinetry. It opens to the dining area where you can take in the Greenspace views. Or head out to the composite decks, ready for entertaining year-round. The home is designed for an elevator shaft ready for installation. Or take the modern staircase to the loft, perfect for a home office. Unwind in the spacious primary suite, where you'll fall in love with a spa-like bath, complete with heated floors, a lavish shower, and soaking tub. Organization is easy with 2 walk-in closets. Downstairs, the home has additional living space with 2 more generous bedroom suites, plus another private deck. An outside entrance leads to a flexible space, ideal for a home gym or yoga studio. The garage is oversized and has electric car charging, plus you'll enjoy smart home features throughout. Welcome home to the ultimate in Willamette Heights living. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.